Forever, we have our Forever Nature Min. Now, when you look at standard minerals, you look at their ability to really complement your vitamins. So you hear vitamins and minerals as you're looking at the entire herbal supplement as a whole. And minerals, they actually play many roles in the human body. They actually regulate fluid balance, and they can actually activate genes and hormones to forming our bones and our structure. So these are really important for the body to have, and we are living in a more nutrient deprived world. Our soils are not as rich, and the general foods that we're eating are not as rich and high in nutrients as they used to be. So we need to supplement our bodies. And since our bodies can't manufacture minerals, we actually have to obtain them from our food or our supplementation. So minerals in the body actually perform three functions. Some, like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, are actually constituents of the bones and teeth. Others, like soluble salts, that help control the composition of body fluids and cells. And minerals such as iron are really important for hemoglobin and other vital tasks. They work with enzymes and proteins, which are necessary for releasing and utilizing energy. There it is again, that word energy. We've talked about 3 amazing supplements designed to help with that lifestyle that we live that's so full and rich, and those days that we just jam-pack everything into them. These 3 supplements are designed to support you, again, to be the very best version of you. So let's talk about the elements of Forever Nature Min and what makes it so fantastic. Well, we have macrominerals. Macrominerals are the big minerals. These are the really large minerals that are needed in larger quantities, like calcium and magnesium. The macro minerals, my goodness, I'm having a hard time talking today. You can hear my excitement, and I'm sure you can hear my smile as I'm talking. I just get so passionate about these products that I get tongue-tied, and it's all right here in my brain, but sometimes my tongue just doesn't spit it out. So the macro minerals are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. Those are the macro minerals, those big minerals. And nutritional scientists recognize that certain of these nutrients, such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, are commonly deficient in our diets, and we're seeing that more prevalently today than ever before. NatureMin provides concentrated doses of these minerals at the optimum level for supplementation. So again, NatureMin is concentrated doses of these macro minerals, and they're really at their optimal levels. Again, looking at science and research, we want to not provide too little or too much. We want that optimum or ideal level to help supplement what the body needs but cannot produce on its own. Then there are microminerals, and microminerals or trace minerals are the small minerals that are needed in smaller microgram amounts. These include copper, chromium, iron, selenium, iodine, manganese, fluoride, and zinc. And the deficiencies of these minerals are common, but it's important to provide these in proper balance. So NatureMin again provides a balanced yet potent dose of these critical minerals. Now, when I looked at some of these minerals and I started to think of the macro version, the big, and those micro minerals and the various dosage and levels, I started to think of sourcing, where we source these minerals. They come from various sources. And one thing I learned that I absolutely love is that our natural sea mineral concentrate is from Utah's Great Salt Lake. It actually comes from a real lake, a lake that's rich in those minerals, and it's specially processed to provide trace amounts of all natural elements to support balance in the body. This source was selected because of its high quality and low levels of contaminants. I've been to the Great Salt Lake. Yes, it is filled with salt. In fact, if you go out into the lake, it's not a lake you can actually swim in because you just float. It is so dense with those minerals that you actually, if you're standing on the shore, you can actually see things float. Nothing's going to sink there because it just is this rich lake full of those natural produced minerals. You know, Forever NatureMin is an advanced multi-mineral formula that provides minerals and trace minerals in a perfectly balanced ratio for maximum efficiency. Again, that's smart science, taking the best, not too much, not too little, combining the ingredients that work best together in the right dosage, in the right size, and in the right amount for a well-balanced mineral product. So using a mineral base of natural seabed deposits, NatureMin provides most of the key minerals that are found in the human body. So again, what is found in nature, we've recreated and able to produce it in Forever NatureMin. It's actually an excellent way to ensure that your body's getting the minerals and the trace minerals it needs to meet the demands of a healthy, balanced lifestyle. There's that word again, balance, lifestyle, energy, balance, and lifestyle. Really, that's what Forever's all about. We have those supplements that we know are part of that core daily nutrition that your body needs just to help sustain itself through those busy, busy days. And then in addition to that, we have what we consider to be targeted supplements. And those supplements are designed to support your individual needs. So if you are not eating as well as you need to, try the Forever NatureMin to help supplement your diet with those